Ever wondered what happens to your kitchen waste after you toss it in the bin? The truth is, managing waste is a global challenge, yet there exists a sustainable solution: vermicomposting. It's a simple process that transforms your kitchen scraps into a valuable soil amendment. Not only does it help reduce the amount of waste going into landfills, but it also contributes to a greener environment by creating nutrient-rich compost for our gardens. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating process. So what exactly is vermicomposting? It's a simple yet fascinating process where certain types of worms, like red wigglers, help transform organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. Imagine that. Your kitchen scraps, garden trimmings, and even paper waste, instead of ending up in a landfill, become a valuable resource for your plants. The worms work their magic by breaking down the waste, creating a potent compost full of essential nutrients. Sounds pretty cool, right? But how does one start vermicomposting at home? Starting your vermicomposting journey is easier than you might think. Let's begin with the selection of a suitable bin. It should be dark, ventilated, and shallow. Next, we add the bedding material, usually shredded newspaper or cardboard, and moisten it. Now comes the fun part, introducing the worms. Red wigglers are the most popular choice. Once the worms are settled, it's time to add your organic waste. Fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells are all great choices. Remember, maintain the bin in a cool, dark place and keep the bedding moist but not soaking. After a few weeks, you'll have nutrient-rich compost ready to harvest. And there you have it, your very own vermicomposting system. So why not give vermicomposting a try? The benefits are countless, from enriching soil to reducing waste. By embracing this practice, each one of us can contribute to a healthier planet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and start your vermicomposting journey today. Together, we can make a difference.